Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Z1x smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can use Smart Click option in your phone Vivo Z1x. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Now click on Smart Click. Now turn on the button again, Smart Click. Read the instructions here. When your phone screen is off, if you press and hold volume down button, the following functions will be opened. First option is turn on or turn off flashlight. Just press and hold volume down button and see in the back side flashlight is opened. When your phone screen is off, it's functioning. The next, record voice. Just press volume down button, press and hold volume down button, and yes, recording is opened now. Once again I show it. Then third option, open camera. Press and hold volume down button and camera will be opening now. Yes, it's opened now and you can directly take pictures. You will see the fourth option, open Facebook. So if you press and hold volume down button, Facebook app will be opened. Yes, it's opened. Then last option is enable any app. You have to set that app first. And here select the app. I have selected Amazon Shopping. And press and hold volume down button. Amazon will be opened. So in this way we can easily use Smart Click option on our phone Vivo Z1x. That's all friends. Bye.